Okay, so today's going to be July 16th, 2019, which is a Tuesday, and it's going to be another rough, choppy day. I am up $120 on the day, but I am 2 for 4. So I took 4 trades, 2 of them winners, 2 of them losers. Just really choppy price action. So I took the 4 trades on MU. So MU had a big move in the beginning yesterday, in the beginning of the day. So I was kind of hoping it was going to do that again today. As you can see, the price action, the pre-market's nothing great, nothing out of this world. The pre-market watch list wasn't great either. So let's go into trade one. So trade one was an early entry on for a 5-minute opening range breakdown. So we have first candle, hard sell-off, right? And then we have just this kind of consolidation area where it's not really doing anything, and it kind of to me looks like a somewhat bear flag, or we can have a bear flag or a 3-bar play. So as you can see, kind of comes down here and then has this consolidation area like that. So kind of looking like a bear flag or a 3-bar play, and I get short here at 43.50. So right around here in this candle here, as this candle breaks the low of day, I'm expecting it to really sell off here, kind of like a move you see. Kind of like a move you see over here. There's a great big move. I'm expecting a move like that where I can scale out of the position, get a decent winner out of it. And I take some off at 43.36. So roughly where that blue line's at, and then I just kind of bounce back up. I stop out, break even on the rest. Not that good of a trade. I was in with 3,000 shares. I knew my stop loss was going to be above this candle here, so I was in at 43.50, kind of risking, 13 cents roughly. And actually, no, I got in at 43.50 here, and I was risking the top of this candle. So once it sold off, I was waiting. I did not want to see it come back up and push back up above that candle. So very, very tight stop loss. Basically, a momentum play I'm looking for. So a great risk reward, just didn't end up happening the way I wanted to. Now, as you can see, it gets popped back up and it stays above this pivot, above VWAP and all these moving averages, but it doesn't push above it, because on the 5-minute, we have overhead resistance. So you see that's the 9, that's the 13, that's the 20 EMA all above resistance. So can't push up. So as it starts to come back over, I'm going to get short again for a crack under VWAP. So the fact that it can't push up above everything else is showing me it's not strong. So the initial move is down, can't push above. I'm expecting it to go down again. Now I get short on this candle right here, and this little pop up here stops me out break even. Stops me out for a stop loss. I was in at 43.60, got out at 43.68, only an 8-cent stop loss. I probably could have given it a little bit more room to play with, but I want to see this. This candle already closed under VWAP. I wanted to see it sell off. You get me? I'm not waiting for this thing to be moving around, kind of consolidating here. I need to sell off. So as these 3 candles, don't really do anything, it starts to sell off again. I'm in short again at 43.58, and we get a little bit of a move here. I scale out 1,000 shares here out of my 3,000 shares. And then this candle here, this green candle, pops up, and I stop out for basically a break even. It does pull over a little bit more, but at the end of the day, it didn't really sell out the way I wanted it to. This could have been a bigger winner, but just the price action within itself just wasn't what I was looking for. I was really looking for this thing to really roll over, and it just didn't. And then as you can see, just very, very choppy for the majority of the day. Now let's go back to the 5-minute real quick so you can see this. So I kind of told myself I was done with the trade. I was like two for 3 here, up a few bucks, but I really thought it was going to sell off for the remainder of the day. Now I decided to take this short in this area here because I saw this full red candle, I saw this red candle, and we have another red candle. So we have lower highs, right? And then we have lower lows as well. So it looks to me like it's starting to make a trend, because we have 3 red bars coming through. So I'm in short somewhere here, and I really did wait. I waited for the stock to kind of sell off, and it just wouldn't sell off. And I stop out for a very, very small loss, a 3-cent stop loss. And as you can see, it pushed all the way back up to VWAP, and then we got the move I was looking for, and then we had this push back up to the 20, and then it rolled over again. So a little bit of a frustrating day here. Nothing else to say, but frustrating day. I am green on the day, but just couldn't really get anything I wanted, and I couldn't really scale out of a position. Everything I was out of third, and then stop out break even, out of third, stop out break even. I am happy though that I was able to keep my stop losses very, very tight. Because my profits weren't really that great. So it's okay. We'll come back tomorrow. Hopefully, we get some momentum back in the stock market tomorrow.